What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people who have honey are exposed our ex-man to Ivany said the man send our youth them X-rated video with she. You know what I mean? So, people, I'm gonna make you know hear what honey have to say. So, right now, our plan is to make the officer them know what go on, make them hold on upon him. And if him go that far, me people, she have to take it to the extreme because that a big time effort. You see what I say? So me I go give my opinion some more upon that when we reach right there. So see, we also have done my people and exposed cheese cause cheese and our baby father did in some things where it reached to the in the system, you know what I mean? And it's like him have to like Dan say the man fed up with it. So him drop it and cheese must say celebrate like say a she winner or whatever. So me I gonna make Dan talk about that. Me I go to my opinion when we reach the scene. We also have Rosealee, my people. You know what I mean? Rosealee I talk about the kiss where she kiss Akeem for the 100 grand. You see me I say and talk about other things people who want live her life here. I tell her what to do and what not to do. You see me? Me been telling you know my people say GX him a go get F in a life. You see me I say because a Rosalie have the angle and him have the blade and him a go on like say him have the angle. So when I go hear where Rose have to say about GX. You see me I say? So we have even Ivan link up with Annie here as me say them very blam them and all my people link up with Annie. So here we go on. We're gonna get E right and one of the ear in the intro when I go see in the video and maybe I add things as we go on to make we get E right.
Not true. In the United States here. You notice here in the United States. Notice here in the United States, all the guy them love the big woman them. That's only Jamaican men here and only Jamaican woman here lick out against. But in America, the nicest man them there with some big fat woman. Alright, the girl we're coming at the movie, we're coming at with in an empire as cookie assistant.
Oh,
the black girl, a fat black girl, right?
Oh, who you're talking about? Gabby,
the fat girl, the fat girl, the chubby girl.
Precious. Yeah, her name starts with a G.
Yeah, and she bigger than Rose. And you see the guy, her husband is a white guy. If I see her husband sexy and nice.
Yeah, she coming up Precious with
yeah. So what a lot of women don't know is the big woman them offer more. The big woman them now look for certain things, and then some of these women them look at material stuff.
But not only that, you know which movie too I look into. Tyler Perry, why did I get married?
Yes.
Remember, remember my man doing wife and you see what she did? She went and find the sheriff. You see what the sheriff helped her do? Yes.
Right. So I mean, the song say we found love in you know what the song say you found love in some different places. The guy and the girl, you can see them they develop feelings for each other and they are glowing. They are both glowing.
You know one thing Akeem said that time stop.
They live in New York. I'm go to Times Square. So I go to Times Square sometime. But woman put all four of them together so them big. And for you see the man. So my time turn up and me to learn.
The man them when they married too.
And you want yeah.
Oh, me say all and this is a one, you know, and you can see the man genuinely loving your wife too, you know.
Yeah. And it's true. And then you know it's so funny, you know, because a lot of men they can't bother with the what you call the girl them the figurine. Some men can't bother with them. They're too much. They are too much.
The bar.
Yeah, they are too much. This guy met one. Him say meet one, and when him have sex with her, him say when him have sex with her the first time. Him like her, but him not bother with her because him say when him have sex with her back way. Him say when him done is like he's a arse him a ride. Him say him too leg them, him too tie them when her bottom a beat pan him leg them. Him say him weak for days. Yes, same week. So most men only muggle with them and go on dates with them, but them not really love them, them don't want them.
When me believe Akeem catch feelings,
Most of said, the same time you want to pay attention, then don't have no one to them. And people husband them at it.
yes.
Yes, yes, that's right, that's true.
Rose have the good
And that's how they're so miserable.
I keep saying Rose type of girl they not have no personal man for themselves.
Yeah.
Man them have.
Them miserable.
I love is there for everybody, you know.
And talk about, oh, my husband.
And if you look
I asked one of them last night, so you can't have no husband in the comment section for miserable.
if you check some of them and then type of girl to them know them go fit for everybody and them the fire they bring down road. Check them. Click on them profile and
Yeah, no, I know, I see them.
Yes, that's why me say me take them on.
No, when they, what I do is when I post anything and they comment what I don't like, I just delete it and block them.
Me say, you know, one thing I love what Akeem, one thing when with Akeem, when me say, Akeem, I have feelings for you. He said he's tired of dating them.
don't
He's tired of dating. He said when he date the type of woman that he wants in a workout thing, he's now going off a personality. And Rose have a great personality.
And he loves, and not only that, him love big body woman, you know, because he came one time and I popped the balloon. And he was a big woman.
Him choose I think because I saw it.
See, right, and him choose a tickets. And hear what he said 2 nights ago when he was on his page talking. He said when he came on the internet, him just meet Rosealee and they talking, and him said them just hit it off from there. And him say everything is so natural, nothing no pretend, nothing no steer. They don't plan anything, and everything just a flow.
He said, and Rosealee called look for him. He said she said she was the first one who
sent her
a
the
match with him.
Yes. Send her the request. Yes. He talks about it.
Yeah. But you can't see the both of them are glow. You can't see say that not you know.
Mr. Last night, I don't know when they whisper in our ear say, and when she pull him down on him, me say, watch women. Me say when she pull, me say me don't know why tell her, but she pull him down. Me say I something sweet. She just
I don't know, but me just feel like say something is brewing because she would. I don't think she would cross the line with the kiss.
Rosealee trying them because them and them seductiveness they have up at night time on the screen. Me not understand.
Yeah.
Me not understand how she don't sit down so. Me not
she happy. She happy though. She happy.
They blush like I said for me, man.
Well, everybody is happy for her because you know what we see. She has been through.
They've been through it.
Yeah, she has been through it. Even before she was on TikTok.
That's why I'm not here if it's a prank or not. It's her time to smile.
But I don't listen. As I said before, I was saying it's a prank, but it's not a prank anymore. It's not a prank anymore.
That's why I said me no business. But when I said 2 years, what a balling? 2 years, what a balling?
No, mommy, hello, it's not 2 years. Remember, she been with him for 10 years or more. She says, and she's been shooting.
But me talk about what we seen. So
Yeah.
what we seen on life.
Alright, my people, more to tell more the things, see? Because you go on, them as a fat woman appealing and man over in other states love the fat woman, them and really crap. You see me I say, fat woman is not like something where man really go after like that. You see me I say, them date them, yes, them talk to them deal with them. Most of the time when a man talk to a fat woman because she have things and him love sweets. You know what I mean? Or because she insecure and he want somebody to control. You see me? That me I tell you now. Yet me not say man no genuinely date fat woman and love them, you know, because some man love the cushion. You see me I say? But me never in my mind say, yo, go look a fat girl. Me never do that yet. And me know say enough of the time, enough man You know what I mean? Look at one fatty because he want something to go and knock. You see me I say? Or the fatty have money or something. She have to have something about her. You know what I mean? Or she look good. You know what I mean? Because you have some fat girl where shape good, you know. Where man will look and chat to. But me not be harsh or disrespectful or anything like that. Me not feel like it's a fat woman that appealing certain way. Me talk to a fat woman. I think a one fat woman me ever talk to in my life. Two. You see me I say? Yeah, two. One when me I go to school and one after that. You see me I say? So, and the one at school, as she look me and I never me look her. So, me I try show her say, like, no disrespect to the fat woman them, but a man that prefer a thick woman over a fat woman. You see me I say? Because you have thick women and you have fat woman. You see me? But that no means there's nothing wrong with Rosalie still. She kinda no have no shape like that, but her face cute. You see me? So let me know what you think, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Yes.
Yeah, what about it, you know? Morning, noon, and night, you know?
Oh my God, man, tell you.
And the 1 month she dey smile to all Jack and them start at her. Them when you mad, you're mad, man.
I don't know, when me couldn't take it no more, me text somebody. I text somebody and say to them, say, cause me no see, me say, me no see she come on all day. When you check on her, she alright? And the person say, yeah, she good, she fine, she alright. I mean, like, what? So if the person says she good, she fine,
beauty rest, the lady
that means say everything good, you know?
tonight. The lady have match tonight. The lady that gets her
Beauty rest.
For her, no believe me. Listen, me feel so happy for her. Believe me.
I wonder if the guy move out.
For her.
True. Me say I want to put him in one of them black garbage bag.
You know this is a lesson to men though. You know say this is a lesson to man though.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you
It
mean?
is a lesson.
Oh, you mean?
The person, they say one person garbage is another person's treasure.
Alright.
And you see how him treat her and him do her and see him although him in a shock cause him ugly, he's a ugly man and a pretty man come take her. Him ugly.
I remember him used to tell her, say nobody not go want her. So
Nobody don't want her, yes.
Look good boy come
And see a pretty man come take her.
Me say I no mind. Me say me no
Let me
mind.
tell her when me know say it's serious.
And she lose all the weight. Me say me want she lose all.
She's doing it. She's taking something to lose the weight. She had to do
Me
something.
say I can't wait. Me say me one time she step out.
But look here, it don't matter if she lose the weight or not. She's a beautiful young lady. She's beautiful.
But I'm just saying, just
Yeah.
for her health wise.
Yeah, cause she's beautiful and Akeem. And I think if she lose the weight, Akeem gonna leave her.
No,
Yes.
no.
Akeem, listen up. Remember, you know, him say the smart woman. Them remember, him say him talk to woman with the surgery, with do them body. And
Yeah, but remember, I know that started them in a personality.
I don't think he would leave her. He should lose the weight. You know why? When I met her, she was in the process of losing.
doing okay.
Yes.
Okay. I got you.
You know what I mean?
But when they were on the beach, I think, and I don't know if you hear that one when they were on the beach and like he was saying to her, you were saying, what was he saying? Like he must say, pat your something and call me name, whatever. I mean, like, oh my God.
Honestly, guys, we never really get to watch it more than so comedy at work. So I feel like, you know.
And he must say bedroom and off bedtime, like he must sing over Vice Cartel song and I say, we know in no granny business, whatever. It's just they just click. They just click.
Them chemistry.
Yes, they just click.
Exactly.
Yeah, they have a chemistry.
They have a very strong chemistry too.
And then he is and then him is an October man. And you see October man, one of the nicest set of man them in the world. And them are patient. I don't like him tell when him say him have patience.
So patient.
They say, and they are sweet. My son is October the 17th. I may tell us quiet, sweet.
Cause one of my brother born October man them nice. But all
The only delusional person on the net who walk and tell people like on myself. Me no walk and tell like not even myself. Anything me do, me can't own it up because I live my own blood clot life. I remember me afraid of criticism and mockery. Cause when someone chat, boy, yeah, me when someone come chat, if me feel like me answer uno. If me feel like me answer uno. And if me don't feel, if I'm at all that time, long before Akeem, my team know this. Me feel like me and me not answer someone, you know. And if the FYP get too nasty, me stop use it. But the whole one they say me delusional, and the whole one say, oh, the boy no want, and the this and the that. The doors are knocking where all some of you are. The doors are knocking. Run out now. All I want to say, man, no want me, a man, no this, and man, that. I'm a delusional if the boy really want her. And what him I do with she? All I want to run up now. Come now, come to the forefront. You don't say I'm smiling. You don't say I'm clacking teeth. So tell me how I'm delusional now. Jenny, they too do. You too do. Let me just be careful of blood clot. Me no wanna just be blood clot careful. When me over your ball over Drake say my fuck girl, won't never blood clot tell me to be careful. How am I delusional? When I mock me and laugh over me and say, oh, him take my money and buy fuck, or me still long work harder for me, I do all on that, so me come suck me. Tell me the right, just be careful. The one who mock me and laugh over me when I have my money and buy fuck. And when me a ball over man and run put on the FYP nasty. So someone wanna lock up basically and well one bring me blood clot down. I'll picture wanna go for people picture. Lord man, me do my blood clot thing. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a blood clot tool. I done told all of you bitches a wicked girl blood clot somewhere, you know. You must say wicked girl blood clot somewhere. Never hear me say, you never hear me say I gotta do a wicked girl blood clot somewhere. I know we are shift the focus. We are go for autumn and go for winter and spring. It's an all year round season we are now. Never hear me say that. Where I feel like me that so long and ball. I'm so nice. I might not shit, but when I put on my clothes and gurgle down, I actually can clap tease. I can actually walk with. I can do my makeup on my face and actually do a 3-6 and come out well looking good. I can't take any star, any party, any wedding anniversary, any decision. What I talk about? I don't want no girl tell me what to do. I don't want to call my phone that I don't want a friend to call my blood clot phone. I don't want to tell me nothing. Not text me in my inbox either. Me I got stop talk to Akeem when me, Rosalie, feel like no one Uno tell me. No one Uno tell me when me feel like the ball in my court or any decision and me I make it. Yeah. And if I want to take him in anywhere at all, I want to take him I'm supposed to. Not too enough. Not tell me nothing. Leave me alone. I don't want to hear nothing. Poor happy lives. Yeah. Remember them on the same don't want me. I do no chorus service and send me no request. Remember on the same don't blood clot want me. Some of know someone wanna come blood clot tell me about. Not tell me blood clot nothing. The 100,000 kiss panja was everything for me and the girls them were still in a denial. All of the whore them by you in a denial. That's what the boy no want her. She's pushing him away. She's sabotaging him. See me no soon. She's pushing him away. He has well for patient. There's a Rosealee man.
Alright, the people. So, it's not like me I say, me would talk to a fat woman, because me tell you, say me chat to 2 fat women seen in my lifetime. One at school, you know what I mean? One when the second one, I'm a friend with our party, you know, and it's not a really fat girl. You see me I say, it's like the dog say, yo, chat to the girl, a dog, wait, and tell me why me fi chat to the girl. You see me I say, I'm a chat to her, and me not lie, the girl deal with me good. but me just couldn't like pearl and cause me can't manage fat girl. You see me I say? Big woman thing. Me never really look none, but that no say me no know if my mind will change and me talk to one. You see me? Because as me I tell you know, I just naturally me no feel like me like say more than never, you know what I mean, have something against the nothing like that. Me just never really, you know what I mean, pursue one before. You understand? So me know wanna think me people, cause me don't know if me me know wanna think. So me go watch someone here Rosalie have to say about the people them we have something to say about she and Akeem and the kiss and something really cause you know what I mean? Me check say Rosalie would have come on live with one black eye. You know what I mean? Or with some signs say boy GX do or something. But it look like say everything goes smooth GX no in place. You know what I mean? Let me know all the thing, me watch some more.
Expect me soon, no. But this is the day that the Lord have made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. You can't take the crown off of my head, you know. Remember me. God look, God do my thing, you know. You know, someone not jump on my bandwagon like me. They ask you no question, you know. You can't lead me. So I not ask you nothing. I'm beer in mind. Come by to hold me on a girl question me. Moderator, the or them will put question sign block them. Bitch, me know why you question me. Bye. Save it for your mama. Save it for your mama. When she there our bedside, they go ask her a question. Save it for your mama. For when? Save it for your mama for when your mama. When a mama, if a mama dead and buried, go down our graveyard, go knock it and say question. No come question me a big woman. And someone me not related. Someone don't know why someone don't really care as fuck. Someone not clout to not look for go chat off on a stinking more because I don't really care about me, you know. We don't care about the clout and the hype and the views. And somebody if listen to you don't care about me. Long enough. Someone the whole not jump out like chicken me, not ask me no question. Bite out underneath me. Like what last night, boy, chat. Last night, my frosting. I mean, I tell you, so I'm going to take 2 drops of the blood clot who need. My head hot. My body hot. All under me hot. My whole entire organ hot. Blood clot, I catch a comment where they want to take down. When I return to work at this. When I return to work, dinner the year. Yes, spot. Block them. I'm going to take 2 puffs of the blood clot weed. I remember the boy, remember when the boy say, I want to take crazy, you know. I don't want to get it too crazy. I'm going to say, yeah, girl, trans. It's all on me. But I'm telling you a lot. I say all of the night, they're telling me, say, my pussy there under fire one cool rip. Last time I pussy under fire one cool wap. Trot. When I tell me I'm going to strip it and I can't take off the whole of my blood clot clothes and throw water in my hole. Or make body under it's a piece of it. Oh my Lord God! Jesus Christ! Trot! We gotta take 3 puff out of the weed. We should have got 3 to the laugh pull take. But my first trap me in the club and the speaker box I played my heart. All the weed flying on my blood. I said the boy I talk to him, I can't see him. Pop off the eyelash. He might talk to me, I not see him. See me with the eyelash with them. I said the boy I talk to him, I can't hear. I not see me, not hear a blood clot. I say one time, wait them, I say Akeem, I not see a good wait them, like me not see well. I can't look in my eyes, so me eye them dainty. But me I hear every blood clot thing coming up fool, you know. Me hear every word, every breathing and breath, every blood clotting, every sanctuary, every hug. I feel every hug, every whisper, every pain, every sorrow, every joy, every gladness, every experience, every opportunity. Long life and prosperity. I'm not to the light. TikTok is a cold blood clot feeling. Yeah. Cold blood clot feeling. So I want to big up Bacchus Corner, yes, so I want to big up God Bless Me girl, Clap Tease. I want to big up all of the girl them who used to believe in me long enough. I want to big up my team. Oh, you mean, me never gonna know without my team. Big up my team party, yeah. The girls them. I want the girl meet the boy and the boy meet the girl. Trapped. So me no content about me in a party at the money pull up. Come out of that. When I go in a pull up, oh she in a party at the money pull up. Check this every day you would know. I might me get $100,000 there and out of my $100,000 there what me do, me money pull up back the boy. Tit for tat and butter for fish. So why him can't give me $100,000 kiss me and me can spend back some more tight and do a money pull up make him feel good too. What? So I want where life go. Stop spread rumor upon me and propaganda. Stop spread rumor and propaganda upon me. Give me 100,000 for dare me for kiss him and then me go some book God bless us.
The people right now still, you know, man, I lie, you know, Rose and Akeem are the hottest thing in the streets right now, you know. And them are the new sensation, you know. You see me I say? Right now, every night when them go, last week when them go make a, it ram. You see me I say? Friday gone when them go make a, it ram. You see me, them have the place locked, my people. You see me, and this look like says a new, you know what I mean, vibes at Mecca with Rosealee and Akeem, you know what I mean, and them a make money on TikTok and half of TikTok, yo, Jano, you know what I mean, big up to Rose and big up to Akeem, you know what I mean, I love it, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section, because watch some more.
Money pull up, cause that's a blood clot at the things them. When the blood clot stop and make me wanna follow, all the same and I argue with you. Hold on. Funny. I hold on to your body, pot abstract. I don't want ears. Chop me we have the series 8 o'clock with Rebel and Swiss Sleep. I don't want ear, just have a good night. I don't want ear, you're my love. Mr. Guan, Mr. You know say I go to with Mr. Guan.
Deep depression to blood because I had to say trapped me do something wrong. Some things get to my brain, some things just get to my brains, you know. Just get to my brain sometimes, man. Maybe alright, give me a few. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, what you say? Hello?
Hello. Hello. What one?
No.
You don't need them, yeah, cool.
series with system, it's so start. I'm going to do this track. Let us do this.
That is it. There's up on the asphalt, baby. And there's up on the asphalt. Sugar Gemini, she told you guys that.
What's that?
Oh, but there, no baby, what else there, son? Now I'm alone. I swear to you, a while ago. Tell me some mad dog now, baby, but watch me now. Like me, I call you. When I call you yet, you know. When I call you yet, you know, watch me. I say, yo, send me a location, mama. Pull up, watch me. Hear the wicked people living in the chat rooms. Yeah. Yeah. I say, I'm going to go and show me a thing. What the hell do you want to fight, man? I'm going to come back with my son up here. I'm going to come back to Blood Club. I tell you, we can't fight already, you know. And that's why I'm the fastest people. I tell you, we can't fight already. And that's why I'm the fastest people. I'm going to walk on the and get me shot, boss. Blood clot, actually. Who that exalt himself? What other part here? I remember the other part, and about other part, they say, who exalt himself shall.
BBS.
BBS.
I don't want to talk about that.
Abide in the temple of the Most High.
I don't want to talk about him and that. What's up?
My day, baby. Babes.
How are you?
You ready to kick some ass?
How are you? Adar.
Rose, you okay, my bestie? The show must go on later. Later on, Akeem.
Big up yourself, my sister.
Yes, miss.
I want me to beat man talk now. I feel with time now, you know. I feel with time now, you know. I feel like no.
Try, we have to play best out of 6. We have to keep score chat. We have to play best out of 6.
Wait.
Chat, we get a disappointment tonight. Yeah?
All night plugging, all the Wi-Fi. Tonight is the night. Leave the woman alone. You don't want to trouble her. Blood clot and have her all long down there now, do nothing with him. She out now. She out.
Rebel. I'm not here no mind, you know, because she can more than put that service. Sometimes you just want to
No, you have look classic. Me know.
My people, right now, Jakes I sing QQ. Never know the use of I till me lose. Yo, man, I telling us people, you don't hear the man voice or the man voice low. When them talk to Rosalie, the man voice low. From what they have me notice, the man voice get low in our house. It get lower even though me I feel try to listen to hear what man I say. Like the man start even ask permission to go road. Boy, me I tell my people, boy, Jano, you see it? Me did a warn him, now a different man take over. He come like say Rosalie want him get him queue. If you know say yo, it's time to leave. You see me? People only make me know one thing. So blame them I go forward on the live of my people. So you can watch and see what go on.
Said there gonna be a attack at the town. December 26th. What you say, boo?
Don't know anything, you see a lie, you know,
But we talked about last night. You remember that phrase there? Eat this. What you say? Now go fly into that one, yeah.
Trouble in them town. Everybody will just join the live. Pick up on yourself. Support them. Pick up on yourself. December.
Not for book, backers can not for book, cabana, we have to buy on the cabana, not for come out. If you keep the party, you have to do things them. You can't miss the sleep party, you know where you go do. That one export you can't miss, come tell us that the highlight is
Crazy for true, man.
that one birthday gift, that's the one birthday gift you can't miss. You don't start take picture, you have boot out the door. You still up in our box and take picture. Is that last year?
Take picture.
Last year, I bought a picture of my blood clot, take a selfie. After the girl I'm in the back country, I go book in the hotel room. I come up for the party. No, it's not a joke. I know chocolate bus I got there and the things and the party I got nice and the things them. I know you're going to enhance there and the things them.
That me that say yo, me that book enhance my party. So what's your name, baby?
Later.
Not just I didn't mean for my job, I didn't. That come like you don't want to give me none at all.
The kiss already enough from last night.
How much money I spend on that kiss there?
We not talk about that.
Okay.
Me used to hear that suck out tongue, but
Them that see it on camera.
me
Yo.
but come
Okay,
in, I
bye.
got you. Come here, baby.
Alright then, baby. You know the buttons, take care.
Trapped. We're going with you. Oh, blood clot. They name that blood clot. Trapped. You know, but I say I'm curve, I'm greedy, you know. Coming on the steer. By the FYP. And the screen of card, the page I'm all around. You know, but I say I'm curve. I'm going to want to say I'm greedy.
Rosealee, what going? You good?
Yeah.
And then me a beg you look at your cloth there, cause
Me have the clout.
no, you running hot, man.
Me not run the hop.
Yeah, me. Now you may see 10,000 people. Me say I watch you.
Oh, damn them, what is it?
Me a beg you look at your cloth.
Me not have the blood clad clout.
So you ready, Mr. Rosealee, from when I'm here already.
Oh.
I did, Mr.
I'm a friend. You know that.
But I'm a bad mind. I'm not come if me not get the right cloth, me don't get bad mind.
No, go get somebody with blood clot. You can't call my phone anytime.
No, me want the cloth pan ya. Come on, hype. Me play a match. Rosealee,
Where?
I want to give me earpiece.
Me don't want to hear that. Me don't come about that.
Alright, yeah.
How are you?
And then me there, dog, like the people are saying, how much money for you kill them?
First triple chat.
Rosealee, me must say, I running happy no man.
Me not run the app. First triple chat.
Yeah, me winning up Rosealee. Top of the street, people, I beg me.
I do want to try to get the nuggets them. Up first triple chat.
Top of the street, people, don't
Lovely.
make me lose me nuggets, people. Top.
Come on, chat.
Shoot,
7
people,
nuggets.
shoot. People, don't make me lose me nuggets. Come in, oh God, yo. Paper no short.
First triple
Don't make
chat.
me lose me nuggets, paper short.
Me not run the app.
Excuse me, sir. Paper show top of screen. Top
Eddie.
of his life. Paper, unless me say people, no come, no shoot.
Damn, they don't
Yeah,
make a dog in a real life. Don't fuck up.
yeah, you know,
Listen to me, I say no. I'm in a
Alright.
chum talk. You know you're my dog in a real life. We can
That's
call my
true.
phone and anything. Don't fuck up.
I true. Me I thought run do it. But you know me love chat phone, Shabby. I'm my bestie.
Me
You
know
have
you
chat
still
phone.
not like just don't fuck up.
You know we not do anything, man, Rosealee. Man, you know you're my
Like I
dog.
call me and say Rosealee, "Rrr." You know
true.
some have your back. Just don't fuck up.
I true. Let me tap your phone, shit. Let me tap your phone. Oh God.
Guys,
Oh,
one
God.
free and hard. So the music thing I
People.
go.
They go and go there. So me drop one big old song, Planet La. Me I go drop in a week.
So you say
Diamond
the
there,
public
rough.
go post it.
Yeah, man, me go. You kind of drop it. We give you a preview, right? But I don't know if you dog go on. Me say me can make a year. I want bad skeng me a drop to in a week. Yeah. Me a shot the video feet. Listen up, skeng.
I take peer picture with everybody.
And you feel good, right?
But Rose, people
Are you
love
good,
you. No, Rose.
Are you security? Are you good?
But
You
what
have
you know?
security.
Rosealee! Girl! I can say, yeah, girl, no comment.
But Rosealee, people who love you, make nice in a comment. People who love you, make nice in a comment, bro. Now listen to the nice. You understand?
So we're going to see if you can't miss you. It's sick. Rose and chocolate bus I got there.
I should never notice Sicily party. Remember so when Rose step
Never tell him last year, you know. I mean, I tell him this year, brother, you give your
me no matter. When Rosealee,
party night.
This is for fuck it up.
Me enjoy myself. Me go on. Me come out. The reaction crazy. Me tell you. I never get time for tell you. Come, hello, pull up my cabana.
Alright, sister.
Watch our face.
You say, can miss me?
Akeem, talk like her, Akeem.
Oh, yeah.
You hear? But that's a blood clot, you know, one dementia.
Yeah, man, chat October 10, crazy, man. Crazy. And Rebel 1 November 28. Crazy, chat.
Let's apply for the white trip.
Akeem, please.
Crazy.
Alright, me a forward. Watch you now. Yo, bro, sis.
What up, bro?
Stop with yourself, no.
Big up yourself.
Respect. For tonight.
Tease later.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Bye, friends. Bye later.
Bye later. Trot. Party shell last year, man. Enjoy myself to the fullest. I'm here to tell you something. Huh?
Yo, I'm doing manala in there. What? Same go on with yourself. I will always look good on the board, not me. Me and you.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in our comment section. We'll go over Ivany and Annie and now make Annie. Make we hear from Annie the things them boy our ex-man are going with. And my people, me feel like say anything Annie get, Annie deserve it, you know. She if take it, you know. And nobody know if you feel the type of way, you know. Because them say when a person show you who they are, you believe them, you know. And this man, boy, make watch some more. Make we go over the go watch what go on, my people.
Zero drive.
I can't that's enough from.
Easy enough. So I'm not to talk to you before 10 minutes before my part. And play all that song you feel.
Tik Tok universe. And then me get one Zeus. Big G. The biggest G on the app. Me get Zeus. And me get Tik Tok universe. And the things them Jabba's left in a chance.
We never see that one day. We never see that one day, my baby. Bonnie, I want to talk to you, my baby. Yeah, listen to me. Thank big up on your win, you know.
Yes.
Big up on your win, alright? Me no want to take with that from you. Clap that tea.
Clap that.
Bonnie, you know, say TikTok police are send me pinny them BS. You know, the long time video them where them where them. He must send me kids them, I'll make a boo, me other rest of kids them, my son. He must send sex video. Vanny, me I go lucky.
You said the S word. Don't say just the S.
Yeah, S word. The S.
With him send them video with you and him to your daughter.
Him send a video them to my kids them.
So it is a film page it come from or a fake page?
Film WhatsApp
go down at the station. Go on down at the station, go report that.
No, but you don't think me supposed to go that in because I want the police them go pick him up.
Go up a pop in police station. Make one report down a your yard before you leave.
Yeah.
Down a your yard. And show them it and make a report. And then you go up a pop in. Go to the nearest police station near him. And report that a serious something that.
And don't go on a live. Now make nobody know the day when y'all go. So when y'all go in Canada, damn yard.
Alright. No problem.
What type of madness that you send go give the woman data? I bet you did just expose
them. He said he go give. He just go on WhatsApp and start send them to me.
I bet him did expose it. I bet him expose it and not random people on fake page send your kids them. But him personally send it to them.
That obsessed.
Him personally send it to them.
Yes. Yes. We can screenshot in WhatsApp and you see him send it to me pitney.
It doesn't matter if it's a long time video or a recent video. A man with on a date who's supposed to be the stepfather of our kids shouldn't take that video, send it to our kids.
Everybody drop a rose up to Dragger and send it to guys. He send it to all of me pitney them. All of me pitney them in go on them WhatsApp and I send it. Since night with the year so. And he does send a video them towards me kids them. That totally sick, guys. There's no excuse to that. That is sick.
I did expose Blinga and send out Blinga video.
You know, so come Blinga did have to call police and make police hold on upon him.
Because them have pass around the woman some and you have to press charge for that. And if you talk back to the man that and you sick him pass in place there so. I could have said before him do that, you could have give him a chance because man and woman that. But this way him do now, this is making draw the line.
No man, I go lock him up. I swear to God, me a press charge. Guys, I don't care when nobody has sent me a press charge.
He must have send me $500 first. Me not run a joke. From last night, blame them for send me $5 bills and I can't get it all now. He must have send me, shit, me have to call my friend.
Yeah, we save it. We save it already. Me tell every one of them to save it. Or go one of them to delete it. But the rest of them have it. I'm gonna me carry it.
Me have to call my friend.
Use the triple, guys. Everything me go take up. Everything when me I use, me just use them. Me not even say nothing because I don't want nobody even know. God bless. Big up yourself. Make it stay. What sweet you will sour you. What sweet nanny goat will run in belly. No worries, sir. Remember, Annie and her body and her family is nobody. Foona pitney and smaddy. You hear me tell you? Foona family precious, not mine. We don't have blood that run through us. We don't have blood. Foona family have blood. You hear me? Foona family precious. Who family nobody. That's how we look down upon we, right? No problem. Eh? Yeah, me send somebody. That's disgusting. That is so disgusting. You think I would see him look at daughter and mess with him child like that? Eh? Guys, me and beg gonna push up a score. Push up a score for my team. No, you no worry. You no worry. When me say me I go do something, that me I go do. When me say me I go do something, that me I go do. Me black you can't find a woman a drunk crow. A whole heap of una drunk crow when me say pan this. Una a human being, una a woman. No, we can't even call you cow because cow a good meat. You understand?
The people, me not lie still, you know. Me understand love, me understand when a person check for a person, them see the good way in them, but them nah see the red flags them. You see me I say, and me there say boy, and if you get whatever and you get and if you take. Yo, if you know say woman when them weak to a man, them weak to a man. You understand? So me kinda sympathize with her. But on a level with people, we have to learn, you know, as big people, you know, cause Annie and no look girl, you know what I mean? Annie a big woman. So, on a level, I feel like, say, and if you know, say, yo, that the youth there is a bring down type of youth. You know what I mean? Him not just a Lego thing, so, when him and a person break up, him want to bring them down to the ground. You see me? Although she bring him down too. You understand? Let me know what I think, my people.
Understand me? Says enough, I want to look at nasty woman here, so, at them, there's something they want to see. You get what me I say? Right? A dirty boy style that. Waste man. Waste man style that. You can call OD if you come pick me up. OD? No, OD, Caliber Gym. You don't know who me attack already, man.
Yeah, but
What?
yeah, me can't.
Shout him for me. Shout him for me. My phone charge up. Me not take this so. Me not sub no chat. Me not sub no
Big
chat.
G,
I'm
thank
not
you guys. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Me not sub no chat. Me not run from them a dirty people. If they don't know right from wrong, when me I go sub chat for? Them a dirty people, yeah? Me not sub no chat. You hear me tell you? Me not sub no chat. What if I wanna have pitney? You understand me?
Me not get you.
Try again. Use a double, guys. I tell me, say, man, I go take sex and send to me, pitney them, and una they are kin off on the teeth. Eh? Yeah, woman in a things. Everything done upon social, me I go take sex video and send to me, pitney them pan them WhatsApp. Alright, no problem, sir. Since I say you want it, I say you want it.
Yeah, I get you. I say I will get it.
As how you want it, you will get it.
Here.
Do you hear me?
Here. Here.
I go make an example out of you. You not get it?
No, me not get you.
I call my other friend, make him pick me up. I go make an example out of you. Vani, me I play that 1 year and go away, yeah? I go deal with something.
Stay calm, Rosmisha, please.
Hey, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Look at him.
Come like you know, run on my phone.
Annie, yeah, Annie, you have to do something about that, you know.
Me I go do it, Bunny. Me I go do it. Me I call me drive. Me I call me other driver.
That the man the head with the man with that guys 14 rush chat. The man that take them the video there. I send a your kids them.
It's alright, man. Vani, when me tell you say me I go do something, I'm gonna do something. You're gonna see.
I'm glad I'm full of sense for send it off him on a phone. Him fully.
And that me I say.
He fully.
On phone. He must send it towards the kids them. That's how stupid him be. It's alright, man.
So put your penny them did younger than that. I know them look at 12 and 13. I send them to.
It never matter, she are 14. She are 14 in no business.
Him send it to she too, the little one there? Mirated.
I can't make her know when me put up this year, so but me I go show you officer. Me can show you a fear one right now.
You can show Ivan.
Well, let me show. Vani, let me show you something.
Wait, just wait. Give me a minute.
I'll show you something for me that one.
He's sick.
The attention you need. You will get the attention.
Themself screenshot it with him name or him number, so him not delete it.
Screenshot it with the name and number, everything.
What's up with you? Cannot do that. Oh, wait, me soon call her back here. Wait, Zoe.
You screenshot it?
Don't me come, mommy.
So all along me tell you screenshot your one, you never screenshot
Screenshot
it.
it is just something me did that edit. Wait there.
Alright.
No,
Thank you.
something me did that edit. I become me, obviously.
Alright, Vani. This is Mika page, right? Sit here. Save number here. Look. See him chat here. You see him chat?
From the woman have a proof, the woman must have a proof see a film number it come from. We should have
you see chat?
Like yeah.
I see him logo there. You
see him logo there. You can't see him logo and everything, my baby.
Apple.
Alright.
Guys, remember the big bad Fish Fry the 13th of September. Tomorrow the last of August.
No, she screenshot it. She screenshot it. Says he want run con delete. He can't delete.
What happened so rough over here?
Everything.
TikTok police send any kids them. Snipe me team. TikTok police send any kids them outrageous video with them. Oh, I'm sick, so. Is a P that you know the P word. Him a one P.
Lady, where you talk, say you know see what's up. You keep on attack. If I WhatsApp or WhatsApp, I see him thing you send it pan.
Snipe no chat.
Like no one come and correct things.
Snipe no chat.
Don't worry yourself, Queen. Don't worry yourself. I swear to God.
And you must know the number, team. The woman, if you know the number, you know, and that the number they use, you should know the number.
So I fully shame ask and I say the man who number him what
them talk about fear. And the woman must know the number.
Why them fool? Hey, them people are fool your fuck. I number she
nice.
Don't
put out your number too. Might as well. Thanks, guys. I know me can't believe saying do it. Them say I'm somebody
Akeem phone. And them there say play match, you know. I'm young here pinning them ball out. I say, mommy, TikTok police send with sex video. You get me? I'm here say serious. And my son I say, mommy, TikTok police send with sex video. My big son. You get me? So this while ago, him do that. Meanwhile, when they hear say I play the man, Mr. says I look a dirty, sick, shit type of boy. What time you saying?
What kind of video that you send to give the woman? The woman must know him number chat.
840. Vanny send the video 840.
You know why I believe him send the video chat? As much as how him and Anya cuss and something, me pass screen record and him a class Annie wicked. I forgot to say to Annie today. Me a pass screen record after me go when me come off and me go up on the road. Me a pass some screen record and him a class Annie. They a class Annie for true.
People, want to tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
I want to send upon Annie WhatsApp or what?
WhatsApp, baby.
So now, try to make me feel like me not no sense.
But let me show.
I know WhatsApp. I WhatsApp the woman just show me people. So now I WhatsApp the woman know the man number.
See me big son here. Tell Vanya when send it back.
Drop it where him say.
Yeah, Vanny, see me big son here. And my big son get it. Tell Vanny when send it on.
Vanny, he sent me two with mommy.
On WhatsApp. One damn phone. Right.
And he said me too.
He said me see him video can forward it. So you tell we say I know,
I feel like TikTok police doing these things to keep trending because from one year he insist say Annie na answer him, you know. No care when try for Annie na answer him. So he no stop get under the woman's skin so the woman can come live, come mention him name, so him views still keep going up. They need to carry it in the government hands. Because that, if you really send your daughter that wrong.
Alex.
If you send your woman daughter that in wrong for true.
That's okay, guys. That's okay.
Him sick.
I want to come off now, car. You see me? I want to get to work right now. Vanny, make a play that one and cut.
They want some money or that for go on.
So oh, you not tell me about this?
Oh yeah, Annie send me request this morning, Triple.
Annie? Hey man. Hey, what's up? I'm here. How you doing? I'm doing good. Annie, like honestly, I need to talk to you. I don't know how your timings there just now, like if you would have the timing so I could have like talk to you about something serious. Like Annie, I always like see as this big woman will like. To me, you have ambition. You always look ambitious. The moment you buy the ID, that even show me more. Annie, yeah, I'm just a little curious. The guy that name TikTok police. I really don't want to like sound certain way. I really don't think that guy fit you. Your name don't match. Annie, are you see me? Listen out, this is my house. I know you're not see no sink. You're not see no shit bucket. You're not see nothing like that. This is my house. And to me, I feel like me and you is a match. That's how I come to tell you, say, you need to just eat a little. And from there, you let me.
So you know what I say, I look Annie. And which part of you say Annie have ambition? You know, cause Annie if you buy the car, see your old car.
No, Triple, me not look Annie. Me just reason with her. Reason me and her reason, Triple. I tell her say I love how she ambitious and so.
But I never that you did that.
And you're 45, you know. Nearly so reach 50, you know. What me could I look Annie for do with Annie? Annie a big woman.
Hello. No, cut it. Hello. Triple chat.
No, but yeah, I'm 45.
Triple chat. Triple me team. What donuts, money guns, heart, galaxy, something on the triple chat. You know you're hypocrite?
Chat. Poor taps, chat. Poor taps, my team.
Guys, sum up his screen the chat. Get us 200k likes.
Poor taps, my team.
Ah, Jesus, peace. Junior, no, I pay things are going.
Yeah, man, I tell you, Triple. Yeah, things. Feel like me I go make her arm next week, Triple.
Why you go?
Yeah, me I go. Eh?
Why you go?
No, I will leave a single woman go make her, you know, so maybe me can go find a woman that night there.
But you have to spend money, Junior.
No, that is a must, Triple. Cause me I buy gas to put in my car, you know. Yeah, man, I'm supposed to can buy 2 Malta, 1 corner shop, and can go and sport that in a.
You can't carry liquor in a them place.
No, me and the security have a connection. Me and the security have a connection at the gate, Triple. I'm a bad charge. Me and him used to go see him primary school.
Yeah, you used to go see him primary school.
Yeah, me see him one day, me a drive past there. Me yell me up. True, me could stop at the time.
You want girl a Mecca, you want find girl a club, you have to go in a club, buy your 3 back like NSC and braff.
Oh, I impress me, I go for go impress woman.
So when you look girl, you can't go look girl do back like Malta.
So what the difference? No drink me a drink just to see him. Trippy, me a drink a Malta, or a drink NSC or whatsoever. No drink me a drink
NSC.
Well, no, nobody now go see. Cause Malta me a drink. Chat, they gonna something.
You want to take up woman Junior, you have to make sure so you can give woman funds. Good amount of funds. You can't give woman
no, but,
KFC.
Rosealee and Akeem topic. I know one topic we just done with so quick. Triple, what you really think about the 2 of them? Cause no way them could have prank on them kissing out. Like me pause the video several times and repeat it back, you know. Them kiss for true, you know, lips to lips. So Sean Jake stop that now. For good. Cause no way Jake could have still in our house and Rosealee go out and do them something there. What a boy lucky do a first man that me see take a woman from out of them house where live with them man, you know. That you they deserve some props, you know, regardless of why, you know. Yeah, cause the man take a woman out her house where live with her man and take her out one date several times. Me and the 2 of them in our media, in our spotlight, them now hide. Chat them a hide? No, them not hide. Brawling them kiss.
So you could have managed it, Junior?
Manage what?
You could have managed that?
What, the spotlight?
No, if your woman find a next man.
Well, me not have no problem with no woman I find a next man, you know. Just know say you not live with me. You can't live with me and you can't deal. Yeah, fine
so
if you find a next man.
Next woman?
If me have a next woman, me not have no woman, so how much have a next woman when me there search for a woman? No have no woman, Triple. It might sound like joke, but yeah. But you know what I mean, a triple R, I'm just happy for.
Alright, my people, serious talk, you know, see? Because, let me tell you something. You see, for the people them on TikTok, them have themselves as actor and actresses, you know. Me I tell you, my people, them have themselves as actor and actress. Big woman thing. Would you feel comfortable with a man and kiss your woman them type of way there? Tell me in the comment section. But me I tell you, my people, the people them on TikTok, some of them will come sell a story and go on with themselves and read. Them have it in their mind, say, yo, this what we are do is like we are the new age soap opera, and them something that we are the new thing where people are watching now. So we're gonna give them a show, and anything we do, them can't hold we accountable for it because we are acting. You see me I say? Make me know what I think.
Yeah, like that, cause woman come with a cast in a triple. You see my little woman have? Yeah, just make me like save and like spend for myself and my two pitney there.
Me not tell her like that when Messi kiss me frightened too, me not tell her.
Me say me frightened so till.
When me show sanitary say I sitting there. When he say they hit me, no, him say them, cause I picture me show him, cause they were impossible. Him say they stitch them together. Me said no, a real kiss me did upon the live.
A real
he
kiss
couldn't believe
one.
Triple chat.
Abraham, a female like me,
Chat.
but she live we
The
are
kiss
one
was
part,
legendary. Triple chat.
I'm to Jetty. Me and Jetty in a day, I just my baby mother. That's all.
Guys, now the money gone. Then the specific guy talk about one day, I see Diamond Star Ball. I say, what the bumbo clock this? One at a time. Kiss the galang, proposal the galang. Like, what should a girl do?
And now a blood clot day 5. So when you come out and talk good, man. Talk good. You never ask you back to school sitting yet. Because you always say your mother and your father, cause man roll on a like for play, you know. That's why you don't buy cocky so hard. You see one time a man send something come give you for back to school, you see how he make you go up on the internet. If people they not even know say you're excited, your blood clot excited. Cause that never happened to you yet. Them they sit they never happened to you yet. It's 6th of December independent. You da suit out the man already and no remember not go back to school. A foot locker you buy game man. And come and tell we say you buy 2 sneakers for back to school. With the money where man send. Sure with 2 other sneakers where you blood clot buy with for your money. Then you come and come talk about Grand Pitney. Oh, Grand Pitney coming at this. When me got blood clot Jamaica, ask anybody. Up to Dan father say same thing. And when him go done wear sneakers, anybody can go up on my Facebook and look when Samantha post the blood clot video. Dan have more shoes than me to blood clot and me live a foreign. Dan gets hey, if me talk this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blood clot them. The only one we don't get a name brand sneakers from me. And they said look of him fire mouth one where you see where she there cause she born in Philadelphia. But the other 6 a blood clot them. Every brand where them every Nike here, every Jordan, every Reebok, every Adidas, and me buy. So what the fuck you talking about? You talk about Grand Pitney, big Grand. Come on. You there with a man for 15 years and I force you to get back to school and you have to come on the internet with it. The first. You claim to say hungry kill your blood clot, not even food you can't find. Pan the outside, but pan the behind closed door hungry kill your blood clot, but pan the internet your baby father do the world. Come Come on, talk straight, man. Set up your blood clot self, man. Which one I right one? You're dead for hungry, not now go on, or when you come on the internet, suck my go on, and your whole stock of food and everything. What the fuck I go on behind closed door? Because you cut the video and I make the people them know say, the little boy call say him hungry. T-shirt, the little boy call say him hungry. And the man must not send until the next. I know that was the blood clot conversation. I cut it there so. The conversation was somewhere to put up in bumbaras clot. That was the conversation, and then him put food in it. Yeah. So don't blood clot come tell the people when you cut off where you want, you come and tell the people them both say the little boy call about hungry. No, una look blood clot sympathy. Una look sympathy. That's why me say one of your blood clot friend them fi take him. And then him will tell them this the real blood clot story. And then them will come out and go say, well, Dan did I say true, you know? Me no play internet joke like Uno. Uno want come on the internet and tell people all kind of blood clot story and bring down people and then Uno laugh with them and like nothing never happen. Uno can't run them the risk with me. Uno.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think about this what I say in the comment section, because boy people tell me what you think. I'm not chat much right now. You know what I mean? The video stretch out too long, so I'm not keep up on the time. I go into the video. And I make you hear what the people must say. So make we get back in there, people.
Can't run them the blood clot risk with me. And me go say this again. Me say it already and me go say it again. You don't want the little boy around you. I feel more to come out. You see if the lady when me and her did on the phone, you see if she and never somebody where she not do me there like this, I'd put her and say come up in my box. And me not say nothing. Tell them what happened tonight. But she not do me there. Like that for you come drag her. Cause first thing you do, you know, when people come up come talk the truth, you run to them page. Anytime people like know the truth, you run to them page and take down them, pitney them and put up this that you do. I saw fight blood clot war. Bash chick war. I saw fight war. Thank you, Dr. Kell. I saw fight blood clot war. When people come up with the truth, cause me could call a lady right blood clot now and say, come tell the people them what one night here. Tell the people them what one night when time the phone call come in. And she'd talk and me wouldn't have to say a word. And that's the last time me and her talk on phone. So when you come on the internet and you come out last night, how me I get that? You have a blood clot that a long blood clot time. And you don't even have a picture for your blood clot. Only a baby picture you can show. What a mother you is. If you was somebody who even check up no one then and call and say how you doing. If I have a picture them with a blood clot send you. If I have a picture them with a blood clot send you. You know granny too. What you ever do for your grandpitney? You know granny too. What you ever do for your grandpitney? The only thing me see you do walk and fuck you so this so. Pay a man for fuck you from Jamaica, England, America. Why result? Unwanted picnic, unwanted yes so, unwanted yes so, have him left him yes so, have him left him this so, have him left him this so, have him left that. You say people want to be like, who want to be like you and you not beard? Who want to be like you? You say people want to be like you. Who the blood clot? The only time people watch you know, and when something bad happen. People not watching unless I want don't fall. I remember when the award I get on TikTok, I hear the crannies, blood clot, ugliest monkey there on TikTok. Rankingest, stinkingest drunker. Yeah. We don't care who you want, there with who you want fuck a year. Normally we know say you no fuck nobody sensible. Cause no sensible man now look on you. Who sensible man in a clothes in a fuck you? It have to be a madman in a clean clothes. Just think about that. Who sensible man in a fuck you? It have to be a madman in a clean clothes. Because you look like a crackhead. So I don't know who sensible man in a fuck you. So when you send message to me, shit house, shit pan stick, see me a give it back. Yeah. Me not have to call your name, but everybody know you me a blood clot talk. The girl will not be it for all 5 days. But she can confess. And say 3 or 4. No, you know 3 or 4, 5 or 7 to blood clot. Whole week. Nothing when me come out can tell the internet about you. You say me tell one bag of lie pan you. You say me this and me this and me tell. Where the lie when me tell pan you? So everything I come to pass. Everything I come to blood clot pass. What day when you dep on your blood clot phone? Everything I come to pass. If me so wicked and lie, everything I come to blood clot pass. Me never know say me can just get up and plan lie pan people. Me never know that. Say me just get up and tell lie pan people just like that.
Me have back at the place where
me can just get up and do that.
Just because of why the darkness will come over me. Anyway, boom now. We done that, I will come home back. I sleep out the whole blood clot here because the way I was so angry.
Wait.
Just come in my room and lock my door and go sleep. Honestly.
Say.
Just can't handle it no more. Tell you the truth. Never have no picnic around me, so she go.
purple one be like ticky.
So it kind of meet me now. I can't do this too much. And I go find somebody to give them the problem. I'm not busy when nobody want to pray on me. I can't bumbo clot do it no more.
Alright, people, may I ask you a question? May I ask you a question now? So, everybody don't know where Pitney come with. Everybody don't know where Pitney come with. So, when you say, if you find somewhere go, somebody if take him, you can't do it no more because you never raised no Pitney. What you mean by? So, you want to celebrate the one where you come, but you don't want to celebrate the one where you have. So, you run out the one where you have, and you celebrate the one where you go come now. So, if you can't manage one, the blood clot you go manage two. Are your words, you know? You never grow no Pitney, and you can't do no more. About 1 year you have the Pitney for, you know, 1 year. Remember, I'm a big Pitney, you know. Remember, say him a big, I know, like say him a little baby. A big somebody. And you can't bother with him. Post him, they do a little bit where you have to do everything for him. Because he can't do everything for himself. And you can't bother. What happened to you one where come? If he luck if he come. What happened to him if him luck if he come? That'd be a good question. Because you don't go come out, come play comedy. Because comedy show no star in I know. Because you can't come in a no sensible show, you know. Comedy show no come in. Guys, this, that. You see when the camera blood clot lock off, you turn in a one blood clot vampire man. When the camera lock off, you turn in a one vampire.
I can watch some more, my people. Tell more the thing. Why, yo, me not lie still in our people. You see when it come to some beer mother more while when the man left certain way. Them try them best for either them keep out the youth from the man for spite the youth, or them try for drag the man through the system for spite the man. You see me? So them a keep the youth away from the man if them know say the man love the youth for kind of spite the man, not the youth, right? And some of them drag the man through the system to try and get as much of them can get from the man to try for, you know what I mean, spite him. So let me know all the things with people. I can watch someone.
That you have tell the people them. Say the way you paint the picture with the little boy on Tik Tok, another picture that you play when the camera lock off. Who are the first somebody start calling him the name? Who are the first somebody will make people know say my batty man? It was you. It wasn't a stranger. Stranger see it and know and them never did attack. Or them certain things, certain people now want to get involved in it. But it was you who was the first person who started calling him the name. It was you are the first person who see it in him too. A long time you see it in him. Remember we hold the conversation? I not today or yesterday. I not since then call you and tell you. I not since him father try lick you out of him. I know then time there. You did know a long time. You did see it. And you still treat him like drunk or same way. So when you tell the people them say, oh, you have to listen them carefully, you know. Uno say him a batty man. So we don't want me to talk to him. Me to take time and talk to him. I find him born, so you talk to him. So when am I go become, you can't change it. Tell you these people, I want you to listen me carefully. Even before the case done, the man say him nah bother with it. It has suck out in blood clot. Every 2 weeks him have to go in. Every 2 weeks him have to go in. I remember Ushpa then day, you know. Every 2 weeks, man tired he can't bother with it. You don't know Jamaica people stay already. You don't know when they come to baby mother and baby father, no matter you say true she that play tough, the man have tried play tough, but down in that brain just say, you know what, left her alone, make it done. He just done. The man gonna go change him out all night last. Cause the man just want it done. She come out and she realize she not tell you no blood clot truth. She not tell you no truth. Him get fed up and no want go no more and just want it done. Just make she go on. Make she do what she do. Anything what she do, make she do it. Make she go on. But now, you come and tell the people them, oh, because we not have no family and him not have no family, so he can go stay with him. Or if you go stay with somebody where you make the judge ban him from see him. Tell the people them that part there. Oh, you left out, you know, remember that part there? You have memory loss. Oh, I know me no hear you come out and tell the people them how long the judge ban him from no see the little boy. To the letter where you make the little boy write. Oh, you not can tell the people them that. Oh, you not can tell them that part there. Say, when you call him, shouldn't even answer phone. But because the person where miss make him answer phone, because you always paint a bad picture with people, you know. Me never hear you come out and tell the blood clot people them say, you know, say the little boy, me not tell like bad to bad, I'm favorite pick. Me never hear you come tell all the people them story late, you know. You can plant a picture like say, the man hate the little boy, the man hate the little boy life blood clot style where I live. And you uphold with it. You never come out come tell the people them say man about 6 to 7 blood clot pitney and a 1 come with him. When he could have filed for everybody. Except 2 where them mother they are foreign to. You never can tell all the people them story there. You make it look, you just paint a bad blood clot picture because you have a demon in your blood clot. Uno no tell story straight. Uno no tell story straight. Uno no tell blood clot story straight. True, you can't get no more fuck. You paint a bad picture upon the man. You make the little boy write a letter and give them in a courthouse. And when the letter read out and everything. Yes, you remember the last word of the man saying at the court? When the judge asked him say if he want it for what, he said do whatever they want. Me no want to see him back for the rest of my life. Because a man know say you a pack up a little boy that 1 bag of blood clot. So how am I calling behind your back? How much time behind? How am I calling behind your back? If he is such a bad person, why am still a call him? Because you can't get what you want and because you can't get what you want now. Social media you convent pan, you know. Because you want the people them to have mercy upon you and pity your blood clot and them don't know say you want wicked, nasty, ungrateful blood clot, dirty stinking girl. But everybody take time and find out little. Enough people are just show them all this me for you, make you see enough of them to come up in the box and say, Dan, you did that tell we a long time, but we never believe. A long time you did that tell we, but we see it for true. Remember me tell you that blood clot there. Yeah. And you come and you go on and you You create a scene and you go on with your blood clots. Oh, you never tell the people them say the main reason why you war at your man go Jamaica, you know say man go down there to him baby mother. Oh, you never can tell the people them say that was the main, you never want him for blood clot go down there. Cause you and your friend them up on the internet, you know, your friend them where you and them are the friend, no, no friend no more. You did a paint the picture so them two, you and them a friend them feel like say what you say are true. Say it's about the little boy. It wasn't about the little boy. It wasn't about the little boy. It was about the man. You want the man. You want the man. It wasn't about the little boy. That's why as the little boy comes so you did and you watch. Then the man come at your yard. That's why you tell the people them say the man find your yard. You never come out come tell the people them say you go for the man the first time. You never go and tell the people them.
Me, your host and reporter, Miss Bling. Some of the top stories that are making the cut for the TikTok news today are Willie is upset because Daima is now with Figure It Out. Last night, Daima and Figure It Out went to Mecca and it was a showdown. Daima, Figure It Out also proposed to Daima. They even kissed. It was a beautiful thing. Yes, and Willie is not doing well. So we're asking some of the people to go and check on Willie. Willie lost his chance with Daima. Willie had Daima and Willie played ungrateful and all types of games. Daima was there for Willie, and you must understand that this is a form of ungratefulness. You must cherish when somebody good comes into your life and treating you good. We will not call that karma, but right now, Willie, it is not your time, it is Daima's time. So Daima, continue your series with Figure It Out. We are here for it. Another one of the top stories that are making this TikTok news tonight is the couples are so busy. Annie and TikTok police. TikTok police, Annie has said some very dangerous things about the TikTok police, and TikTok police is clapping back at Annie. Today they went on Miss Bling's live asking Miss Bling to do the court case. Shay told Jabaz and Jayden that she is not doing the case because you know Shay and Annie do not take tea.
Hey, my people, you see from Blinga get the new body. Yo, Blinga is a different person. Totally. The one whole heap of come on live and do this and do the most. Blinga ease off of that completely. You understand what Blinga change up our thing right now? Yeah, those star people don't tell me if you don't love the new Blinga. You should go back to the old one. You see me? You can watch some more. You know, we're going to just watch a bit more and then we're going to exit this with people because the video long enough, you know.
So Shay told them that they need to bring it to Miss Blinga. When Shay and Jabaz and Jayden went over to Miss Blinga, it was chaos over Miss Blinga because Miss Blinga have some blingonaires that they just go in their feelings, as you say, Olivia. So one of the blingonaires, Dainty, came up and said that Miss Bling, no, don't do it. Then Savage, another blingonaire, came in the box and said, do not do it. People are telling Miss Blinga that she needs to load the baga. Miss Blinga came out and said that she has taken herself away from the mix-up because of her husband. Because you know what went down with TikTok police and Miss Blinga. So Miss Blinga showed TikTok that she chose her family over TikTok. Rosealee is still going strong with Akeem. No matter how the people of TikTok is beating Akeem, Akeem found some balls, grew some balls, and Akeem is continuing to do his thing. it is a young lady came out and said that Candy robbed her of a wig. So Candy was supposed to do a promotion for the young lady, but Candy is saying the young lady did not give him any money, so he's not doing none. But we saw Zandrama run to the rescue and rescue the young lady. But Miss Blinga, the queen of TikTok, would like to tell the young lady that she does not need Candy to promote the wig anymore or promote her business anymore, because right now she's getting a whole bunch of promotion.